Magandang araw, teachers. So here is a quick review on world geography. Okay, so we will explore 40 countries. And kasi mahaba siya, I decided to divide it into 4 parts. And each part, merong 10 countries. Okay, so I included here no, sa mga landmarks at saka mapa ng bawat country. So I included pictures kasi I'm sure na mataas yung retention natin, madali nating maalala pag may mga pictures integrated along with the discussion. Okay, so shall we start with number 1? It is known as the bustling capital of Japan, a city renowned for its seamless blend of ancient traditions and cutting edge technology, where historic temples coexist with modern skyscrapers. A. Seoul. B. Hong Kong. C. Shanghai. And D. Tokyo. Okay, the answer is Tokyo. Okay, so here is their map. Japan here, and then Tokyo is located here. Okay, and then their famous landmarks when we speak of cherry blossom and the high skyscrapers and the temples and the shrine, you can find in Tokyo, the capital city of Japan. Number 2, in which city would you find yourself if you were standing in a capital designed by a famous architect, surrounded by a modernist architecture, and is located in the geographical heart of the country, famous for its samba, football, and the Amazon rainforest? A. Brasilia. B. Lima. C. Sao Paulo. And D. Salvador. The answer is Brasilia, the capital of Brazil. So here is their map. Brazil, and the capital is Brasilia, and their famous landmark is the stunning crown-like Catholic Cathedral. This is a famous structure that you can find there in Brasilia. So accordingly, uh, this one, inside this crown-like structure, there are angels being hung, no, inside the cathedral. So the architect who designed this structure was Oscar Niemeyer. Okay, so very beautiful structure, crown-like cathedral. You can find this when you go to Brazil, Brasilia, the capital city of Brazil. Number 3, what is the capital of Egypt? A city that has been a center of culture and politics for thousands of years and is also known for its ancient monuments and vibrant modern life. A. Nairobi. B. Cairo. C. Addis Ababa. And D. Rabat. Okay, so the answer is Cairo. That is the capital city of Egypt. So kindly observe here some mapa nila, no? Egypt, and then the capital is Cairo. And one of their very famous attractions there, no, in Cairo is the Cave Church. This one, the Cave Church, or also known as the Monastery of Saint Simon. Okay, now do not forget that in Egypt, not only the pyramids, there is also this other attractions that you can find in Cairo, the capital city of Egypt. Number 4, what is the capital of Thailand? A city known for its vibrant street life, ornate shrines, and waterways, which is also a major hub for commerce and culture in Southern Asia. A. Hanoi. B. Kuala Lumpur. C. Bangkok. And D. Jakarta. The answer is Bangkok. Okay, so look at their map in Thailand, and then this is Bangkok, their capital city. And one of their famous attractions, no, the landmarks is the Wat Po landmark. Okay, so it is the Buddhist temple located at the Prangkorn district, Bangkok, Thailand. Okay, so in Thailand, their city capital is Bangkok, and you can find the Wat Po as their famous attraction. Okay, number five, this is the capital of Canada, a city that stands on a beautiful river and is known for its bilingual culture, historical sites, and as the political heart of the country. A. Ottawa, B. Washington, C. Mexico City, and D. London. Okay, ang sagot ay Ottawa. Okay, this is the map. Canada here, and then the capital city is Ottawa. Okay, and one of their famous landmarks, their attractions, is the Parliament Hill. The development of this one, um, which took place in 18th and early 19th century, was the site of the military base. Okay, and into a government precinct began in 1859 after Queen Victoria chose Ottawa as the capital of Canada. Okay, next is number six. What is the capital city of Russia? Famed for its historic architecture, including the Kremlin, Red Square, and St. Basil's Cathedral, and its significant role in global politics. A. Kiev, B. Moscow, C. Helsinki, and D. Warsaw. The answer is Moscow. That is the capital city of Russia. So this is Russia, and this is their capital city. And their very beautiful landmark or the attractions that can be found there is the Red Square and also the Kremlin and the St. Basil's Cathedral. So this iconic Red Square, this impressive architecture and rich history earned the Kremlin and Red Square being a UNESCO World Heritage status in 1990. So that is Moscow, the capital city of Russia, and you can find there the Kremlin, Red Square, and St. Basil's Cathedral. Number six, which of this is the pivot capital of Germany, a city that has played a pivotal role in European history, known for its vibrant culture, iconic Brandenburg Gate, and a history that spans centuries of art, politics, and innovation? A. Zurich, B. Berlin, C. Paris, and D. Prague. Okay, the answer is Berlin. So this is the map, and then this is Germany, and this is Berlin. And one of their famous attractions or their landmarks there is the Brandenburg Gate. Okay, so this is used to be a memorial of division after the construction of Berlin Wall, and it is located in the restricted areas and that cannot be visited by East and West Germans. And then after the fall of the wall, the gate became the symbol of German unity. Okay, so this one. Now we go to number eight. This is the capital of Kenya, renowned for its wildlife parks that border the city limits, offering a unique juxtaposition of urban and natural landscapes, and serving as a hub for commerce and culture in East Africa. A. Dar es Salaam, B. Johannesburg, C. Lisbon, and D. Nairobi. The answer is Nairobi. Okay, so this is Kenya and this is their capital city, Nairobi. And one of their landmarks is this one, the Nairobi National Museum. Okay, next is the number nine. Which of this is the capital of Norway? A city known for its a maritime history, green spaces, and museums dedicated to the country's Viking and polar exploration heritage. A. Stockholm, B. Copenhagen, C. Oslo, and D. Helsinki. The answer is Oslo. That is the capital city of Norway. Okay, so this is the map. This is Norway, and this is Oslo, their capital city. Okay, and this park, the Vigeland Park, this has over 200 sculptures by Gustav Vigeland. In granite, there are granite, bronze, sculptures there. No, it was installed in the period of 1940 to 1949. Okay, number 10. Can you identify the capital of India, a city with a rich tapestry of history, culture, and politics, known for its historic landmarks and as a center of government and education? A. New Delhi. B. Kathmandu. C. Islamabad. And D. Dhaka. The answer is New Delhi. So this is India, and this is their capital, the New Delhi. And then one of their famous attractions there that you can visit when you go to Delhi, the Humayun Tomb, one of the Delhi's key landmarks and one of the must-see places there in Delhi, India. Okay, so that would be all for this presentation. We only include 10 countries, and then there are 30 more countries to be uploaded. Okay, so I hope that you will watch the entire series of this world history, no, world geography, specifically on um, capital cities. Maybe it will come out in your, it could, no, it could come out really in your general education or your social studies major during the exam. And I really do hope that you catch something in here, especially katong mga pictures that I've included, that you can remember that that picture, and then you can answer the question, no, during the examination this coming September. Okay, so thank you so much and see you on the next part of this series. Okay, so have a great day ahead and good morning once again.